cannot get this thing to connect to my Marshall Major 4 $170 headphones, Bluetooth. The thing will not connect, no matter what I try. I'm following the instructions, just won't work. I've tried, I shut it off, turned it back on, switched it to transmit, to receive, then back to transmit. I'm just trying to play some guitar, man. And it's in headphones jack, right? I mean, there's aux in. Here's the headphones. Will not work. Will not connect to Bluetooth. I've tried cheap headphones. I've tried the Marshalls. Nothing will work. I guess you get what you pay for, and this thing was cheap. I don't expect much help from the seller or manufacturer, as it was only like 17 bucks. And it's, I mean, this thing is chintzy feeling of its quality, very lightweight, feels like it would pop apart if I squeezed it too hard. You know, we can shut it off. We'll turn it back on. Will automatically connect to your Bluetooth device. My Tookus doesn't connect to anything, and it doesn't matter if the Bluetooth device is in pairing mode or not. Doesn't matter if I put my headphones in pairing mode or just turn them on or what. The thing will not connect to nothing. No dice.
We hooked this up into our van because we have an old style stereo system that does not have a Bluetooth in it. We go on lots of trips where we like to listen to radio and Bluetooth through our phone. My husband hooked it up. It was very easy to install. The sound quality is very nice and crystal clear, as you will hear as my husband's getting ready to play a song.
If you lie to the government, they'll put you in prison. When they lie to all of us, it's called being a politician. You think taking guns away will save our kids from the killings? But you're pro-choice, abortion kills way more children.
So it works really well. It's crystal clear. It sounds good, and it was a very good price. The only thing I am concerned about is it says it only lasts 4 hours at a time before being charged. Some of our trips are a little longer than that, but hey, we have a backup plan, so it works great, and we're really excited about how easy it was to install.